Welcome to your first Choose a Photo prediction video of 2026. Are you ready? Because here is what's in store for you. It's time for your monthly Choose a Photo prediction video, and this is the first one of the new year. So get ready to hear exactly what you need to know. And if you're new here to my channel, these are my most requested, most popular videos because they are insanely accurate. Time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are by just how spot on these messages and predictions are. And here's how it works. You are going to choose a photo, and I will give you the exact message and prediction that you were meant to hear based on whichever photo you choose. And as always, I'm also going to be sharing some specific affirmations and meditations to really maximize and amplify your results this month. And I am so excited to share this with you and get started. Now, really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you like these types of videos so that I know to make more for you each and every month. Now, if you've been here before, you know the drill, but just in case you're new, here's how it works. In just a moment, I'm gonna put up 4 different photos up on the screen at the same time, and without overthinking it, you are going to choose just one. And from there, I'll give you your accurate prediction and manifestation message that you were meant to hear. Now, like I've mentioned in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot, it's not any kind of psychic thing. It's actually based in psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, get ready to be shocked at just how accurate this gets. So here we go. I'm gonna put up those 4 photos up on the screen at the same time, and without overthinking it or going too deep or going back and forth, you are going to choose just one. Trust yourself and notice what you're instinctively drawn to. You don't even have to like the picture. Just pick the one that calls you in instantly, and that will give you the most accurate message. So here are the 4 photos. Again, just pick one and I'll give you your message and prediction based on whichever one you choose. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds. Now let's get into the photo you chose and your prediction. If you chose the first photo of that red spark, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. The good news is that you have the green light right now. It is go time. There is something big that you're going after, whether it's a goal or a dream or some type of accomplishment, and you are so motivated and excited about it right now. And this isn't just some vague wish or distant possibility. This is something that you are ready to make happen. And here's what's so powerful about this specific moment that you're in. It's almost like everything has led you right to this point. All of the experiences, all of the lessons, the challenges, the growth, all of it's been preparing you for what you're about to do. I mean, if you're honest with yourself, you can feel it, right? You can feel that you're kind of right on the verge of something big, a breakthrough, a major shift, the best year yet. There's this kind of energy of anticipation and readiness, like you've been training for this moment and now it's finally here. It's time for your victory lap. And it's important to note that this is your year. This is your year of stepping outside of your comfort zone. This is your year of doing those big goals and dreams that you never thought you'd actually do. This is your year. All of those things you've been putting off, or all of those dreams you've been too scared to pursue, all of those goals that seem too big or too ambitious, this is actually the year that you go after them. This is the year that you accomplish them. Because everything is possible for you right now. The energy is aligned, the timing is right. You are ready. So the question is, what do you want? Not what you think you can have, not what seems reasonable or realistic. What do you actually want, even if it scares you? And if you could have anything, be anything, accomplish anything, what would it be? Because this is not the time to play small. This is not the time to hold back or second guess yourself. This is the time to go all in on what you really want. Dream bigger than you've been dreaming. Think beyond what feels comfortable or safe, because you are being called to step into a bigger, more expansive version of yourself, a bolder version, a more confident version, and you are totally supported in this. The opportunities are coming, the doors are opening, the path is clearing, but you have to be willing to walk through those doors and seize those opportunities. Bet on yourself and go after what you really want. And most important of all, get clear on what that actually is. What's the big goal? What's the big dream? What would make this your best year yet? Write it down, declare it, claim it, and then start taking action towards it. Because you're not just on the verge of something big, you're already in it. It's already happening. The breakthrough is happening now. Use that momentum. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using the affirmation, I'm here, I'm ready, let's do this, time for magic. And you can also start using either the Dream Life Accelerator Subliminal or the Manifesting Portal Meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They'll both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing gold stars everywhere. It could be actual gold stars on decorations or stickers or in pictures or maybe on jewelry, maybe even someone talking about gold stars or confetti. Watch how often gold stars start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of those zodiac constellations, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You have these big goals or dreams that you've been working toward, and you've been trying so hard and getting so close, but you just haven't quite gotten the result you want yet. You've been putting in the effort, trying different approaches, doing all of the things that you feel like you're supposed to do, and you might be getting close, so close that you almost can feel it, but it just hasn't quite clicked yet, and it feels frustrating. It's like you're right there at the finish line, but there's just something keeping you there from crossing it. It's like you try one approach and it gets you closer, but not all the way. Or you try another approach and same thing, closer, but not quite there yet. And it feels like you're doing everything you can think of. But here's what's actually happening. You're trying to solve this with the same thinking that got you here. You're operating within the same framework, the same paradigm, the same way of doing things. And what you actually need is a completely new way of operating. It's time to think outside the box. You need to access a different level of insight and guidance. Because the truth is, you actually have the codes deep within you. You have the answers, you have the wisdom, you have the guidance, but you just haven't accessed it yet because you've been so busy doing and trying and forcing and figuring it out. And while there's nothing wrong with action, sometimes the strength and the knowledge is in the inaction. You've been chasing the solution instead of allowing it to come to you. And that's exactly what needs to shift. Instead of trying harder or doing more or pushing and forcing, it's time to back off. It's time to get still, to get quiet, and to allow. And I know that might sound too simple or too passive. You might be thinking, but I need to do something. I need to figure this out. But the fact is, the answer that you're looking for isn't going to come from more doing. It's going to come from more being. Easier said than done sometimes. But here's what I want you to do. Start off with just 5 minutes per day of silence and stillness. No phones, no distraction, no trying to think your way through the problem even though it's tempting. Just sit, just breathe, and just be. And in that space, guidance and answers can come to you. You don't have to force it or figure it out or make anything happen. Just create the space for the insights to flow through. Because when you get out of your head and into this quiet and receptive state, that's when the downloads come. That's when the new ideas show up, or when you finally see the solution that you couldn't see before. Isn't that so satisfying when all of a sudden you're like, oh, I got it. It's almost like you've been standing too close to a painting, trying to figure out what the picture is by looking at all of the little brush strokes up close. But when you step back and you give yourself some space, suddenly you can see the whole picture. That's what this silence and stillness does for you. It gives you perspective and clarity, and it gives you access to kind of those deeper wisdom and knowledge within you. So stop chasing the answer. Create the space for it to come to you. Trust that you have everything you need within you already, and allow that new way of operating, that new approach, that breakthrough, that insight to emerge. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I trust myself. I am hardwired for success. And also be sure to start using either the Manifest Your Desired Reality Now meditation or the Rewire Your Mind Activation Subliminal. Sounds like a mouthful. They'll both be linked down below. Choose whichever one resonates with you more, or you can use them both. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing lions everywhere. Yes, the animal lion. It could be pictures of lions, someone talking about lions, lions on the TV, someone wearing a lion necklace, maybe even a real lion depending on where you live. Watch how often lions start showing up for you. And if you chose the third photo of the tunnel of swirling water, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. The past few days, weeks, months, maybe even years have felt just chaotic, busy, overwhelming, so much going on all of the time. It feels like you're constantly on the go or overbooked or overworked, and it kind of feels like you can just never quite catch up. Like maybe you catch up and then there's more. There's always another thing to do, another person to show up for, another responsibility that you have to handle. And you already put so much pressure on yourself. Pressure to perform, pressure to achieve, or to do more, or to be more, or to be so many things to so many people. And honestly, it's exhausting. It's exhausting, the constant hustle and the chaos and feeling like you're always behind. It's like the spiral you just can't seem to step out of. But here's what you need to hear. It's time to take that first step out of the chaos and into the calm. It's time to realize that you can protect your peace and your time while still being productive. You don't have to choose between taking care of yourself and taking care of your responsibilities. And more importantly, you don't have to sacrifice your well-being in order to get things done. You can have both, but it requires you to set some new boundaries. It requires you to commit to prioritizing yourself and saying no to some things so that you can say yes to peace and restorative time for yourself. And I know at times it might feel impossible, whether you're a caregiver or you're just busy in general. You might be thinking, I have so much to do, I can't just stop. But the answer isn't running yourself into the ground and making yourself more productive. It actually makes you less effective, less creative, and more importantly, less present. When you're exhausted and overwhelmed, you're operating at a fraction of your capacity. But when you're rested and restored and at peace, that is when you're at your best. That is when you show up as the most authentic you. So it's time to break the cycle, and you're the only one that can do it. Nobody is going to give you permission or time to take care of yourself. You have to demand it. Nobody is going to force you to slow down. You have to choose it. So for the next 30 days, can you find time to schedule 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20 minutes of you time every single day? And it doesn't matter what that means to you. You could meditate, take a bath, go for a walk, sit and do absolutely nothing. It really doesn't matter. What matters is that you do something selfishly for you, something that restores you, recharges you, something that brings you back to center amidst all the chaos. Because it's not selfish to take care of yourself. It's essential. You can't show up for others fully if you're completely depleted. So give yourself permission to step out of the chaos and choose peace and ease whenever possible. Give yourself permission to protect your time and your energy. You deserve to feel calm and at peace with space to breathe and be. So choose it. Choose differently, choose peace, choose ease. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I honor my time, my space, and my energy. I choose to feel good. And you can also start using either the receive and release meditation or the best self-activation subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing turtles everywhere. It could be pictures of turtles, maybe a turtle on the street, someone talking about turtles or turtle pictures or decorations. Watch how often turtles start showing up for you. And if you chose the fourth photo of that colorful landscape, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You have been looking at your life from the same perspective for so long, the same lens, the same perspective, the same viewpoint, the same way of seeing everything. And it's not that you aren't ambitious or that you don't have goals or dreams, you do, but your perspective is so fixed right now on this present moment that you might actually be limiting yourself without even realizing it. You're seeing your life and your potential through a very specific frame. And that frame is determining what you actually think is possible for you. It's determining how big you allow yourself to dream, what opportunities you notice. And here's the interesting thing about perspective. It either expands your possibilities or it limits them. And right now, your perspective is limiting you. And it's not because anything's wrong with you, and it's not because you aren't capable of more, but it's because you've been looking at things the same for so long that you can't see beyond it. You can think of it like you've been living in a house with the curtains closed all the time. You know every inch of the house, you're very familiar with every room, but you really don't know what's outside because you haven't looked. And what's outside is endless possibility, vast beauty, vast potential, so much more than you're allowing yourself to see. So it's time to open the curtains on your life. It's time to shift your perspective. And it's time to look at your life, your goals, your dreams, everything from a completely different angle. If everything is possible, what would you want? And when you do that, when you allow yourself to see behind this familiar frame, you're going to realize that you've been thinking too small. You've been playing it safe. You've been limiting yourself to what feels realistic or reasonable. But why limit yourself when you could go bigger? It's time to dream a little bigger. Don't settle for what seems possible. Go for the bigger goal. Go for the bigger dream, the thing that doesn't feel realistic. Because what feels impossible to you right now is only impossible from your current perspective. When you shift that perspective, when you expand that lens, what once seemed impossible starts to feel inevitable, obvious. So this month, I want you to challenge your own limitations. I want you to question your assumptions and beliefs about what's actually possible for you. And I want you to dream bigger than you've been dreaming. And ask yourself, if nothing was off limit, what would I want? And more importantly, if I knew I couldn't fail, what would I go for? And then let yourself dream that big. You're allowed to want what you want without apologizing for it or making it smaller. You're capable of so much more than you're currently allowing yourself to pursue. All it requires is you being willing to see things a little differently and expand your perspective and let yourself dream bigger. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using the affirmation, anything and everything is possible for me. My success is inevitable. And you can also start using either the expectations exceeded subliminal or the belief reprogramming meditation. They'll both be linked down below. You can pick whichever one resonates with you more, or you can even use them both. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing snowflakes everywhere. I know it's winter, but think obvious snowflakes. It could be actual snowflakes, but it could be snowflake decorations, snowflake designs, someone talking about snowflakes, art with snowflakes on it. Watch how often snowflakes, not always just the obvious ones, start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I read through every single comment, and I love hearing the results from this video. And if you want to watch more of these Choose a Photo videos, I have a whole playlist linked in the description box below. And if you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Again, leave me a comment. I love reading through them. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, how to work with me, my programs, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com. And I will see you in the next one. Happy New Year to you and your family. Let's make this the best year yet.